Rigorous science standards call on educators to teach and assess students' capabilities in a revolutionary manner. For example, teachers are now required to help students improve their science practices. In other words, instead of requiring students to memorize facts, students must gain experience thinking and acting like scientists as they investigate the world around them. The science practice using mathematics is particularly complex and challenging. We created Inq-ITS online labs for physics and physical science to help students get better at using mathematics, as well as other practices, while conducting science inquiry investigations. The labs also automatically assess how students conduct their investigations based on the choices they make in the lab, not multiple choice. Automatic student progress reports make it simple for teachers to document and track their students' growth. Real-time alerts notify teachers exactly when and how students struggle. Here's how the system works. Students take the driver's seat in their own inquiry lab experience. Each lab begins with an introductory scenario that orients the students to the science topic and phenomena they will investigate. Then, students conduct a small initial investigation to explore key conceptual relationships about the phenomena. Next, they conduct a deeper investigation to formalize those relationships by building and using their own mathematical models. Students collect data with a simulation, graph their data, build a best fit model, summarize their findings, and use their mathematical model to make predictions for new scenarios. Students' work and processes are automatically scored by the system in real time. For example, students' graphs are scored as to whether they chose appropriate axes, plot-controlled trials, and if sufficient data were graphed to reveal a mathematical trend. While students work, teachers can automatically monitor how their students are doing using the Inq-ITS Teacher Alert dashboard. Our alerts platform utilizes algorithms to convert complex assessment data into notifications for teachers when and exactly how students struggle. Imagine a student, Julian, is struggling to construct a best fit curve. The alert platform will immediately notify his teacher that he is struggling to create the curve because he doesn't understand the shape the data make. Knowing this, the teacher can review Julian's past performance and provide the precise feedback Julian needs to grasp this difficult practice. After assisting Julian, the teacher can quickly move on to the next student in need, shown on their alerts dashboard. The dashboard will also signify if the whole class is struggling, so the teacher can give a quick remediation lesson precisely when it is needed. Inq-ITS and Inq-Blotter enable teachers to give immediate informed feedback so that every student can reach proficiency. On this SBIR, we developed 20 prototype physical science labs for 4 physical science topic areas that have students apply mathematics as part of their inquiry. These topics include Newton's law of gravity, forces and motion ramps, Newton's second law of motion with trucks, and conservation of momentum. We developed new algorithms that auto-score students' competencies at 3 critical aspects of using mathematics: making graphs, creating best-fitting mathematical models, and making predictions with models. We developed alerts for the Inq-Blotter Teacher Alert dashboard to immediately notify teachers when students struggle at these competencies. We pilot tested this system in classrooms for usability, feasibility, and educational promise. Our pilot test indicated that the teachers thought the labs were authentic standards-aligned experiences for students to integrate math and science. When students were helped by teachers triggered by Inq-Blotter alerts, they improved at graphing and making predictions on their next opportunity to use Inq-ITS labs. We also saw learning gains on summative-style state assessment questions that integrate math and science. With Inq-ITS, teachers get the resources they need for rigorous standards, instruction, and assessment of science practices, including using mathematics. Students get rich opportunities to deeply learn the competencies they need for upper-level STEM courses, for STEM college careers, and for success in the 21st century. Sign up for a free trial today to try Inq-ITS with your students at Inq-ITS.com.